Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making with you the perfect roasted potatoes. Okay, I have 3 pounds of these beautiful different colored potatoes. Got the red skin and you have the regular baby potatoes and also these purple potatoes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is wash them. And the ingredients are very simple, but there's a little trick to this, how to make the perfect roasted potatoes. Okay, there's extra virgin olive oil, sea salt. I have the garlic with the skin on, and in Italian we call it aglio in camicia, and that means garlic in a dress shirt. Italian is just such a beautiful language, describes things so wonderfully. Okay, but we do need a couple more ingredients, which is sage and rosemary. Meet me outside and we'll pick it from the garden. Little ladybug rocks that I painted and I put in my pots, and they're just so cute. Maybe I should do a tutorial on that. Love doing these little arts and crafts. So here's the rosemary. Nothing like fresh rosemary. Before the temperature drops, cut some off, bring it inside, let it dry in a brown paper bag, and then you could save it for the winter and use it throughout the winter when you need this beautiful aroma of rosemary. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to clip some. The sage is not looking so good, but I'm sure we have still enough to use with our potatoes. Okay, we're good. A little bit more rosemary. Let's do that. Meet me back inside. Potatoes are washed. Get a large pot with water and put it on a stove and bring it to a boil. I'm going to cut the potatoes because you want everything to cook evenly. So you have the little ones and you have these big ones. So you want to try to make everything the same size so they have the same cooking time. Okay, so as soon as the water is boiling, well, I'll show you the next step. And in the meantime, put your oven on 375 on. I'm going to put it on roasting. If you don't have that option, just 375 bake. The water is boiling. I'm going to add just a couple teaspoons of the sea salt. Okay, now the potatoes go in. Be very careful, don't burn yourself. The other way to get something in boiling water without burning yourself is to use one of these. Okay, look at that. See how easy it makes it? Make sure that your flame is on high so it comes back to a boil. Now you're not going to cook the potatoes through, but you want to give them that quick boil, removes the excess starch, gets the cooking going, and that guarantees the perfect roasting of the potatoes. Okay, so the potatoes have been boiling for, I'm going to say 6-7 minutes. I'm going to I have a cookie sheet with a clean kitchen cloth on it, and I'm just going to lay them right on top to drain. Okay. Okay, my cookie sheet is ceramic. It's from Pamper Chef. I've had it for many years, and I must say I love it. So if you ever come across one of these or you have one, definitely use it. They're great. Putting my aglio in camicia, all right? And now be generous with the extra virgin olive oil because you want everything, you want every piece of the potato well oiled, let's say. Okay, so I'm going to do that right with a spoon. Turn it. Oh, it smells already wonderful. The salt. If you have coarse sea salt, it's also nice. I'm just going to add it like this. Just have regular sea salt, but of course sea salt is perfect. Here's the just grab the stem and go the opposite way that it grows and just go right down, and all the little pieces of the rosemary come right off. It's great. Same thing with the sage. I'm just gonna give it a little chop like that. Okay. I do want the pepper, some fresh cracked black pepper. You know what, guys? I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm dying to get my hands in here, so I'm gonna take my ring off. I just wanna, this is no better way to get everything. When you do with your hands, you really, you feel the food. You add the extra love for sure. Okay, everything is well coated. It smells divine. Perfect. Okay. Now, extra rosemary and the sage right here. Beautiful. Okay. Now, let's get it in the oven, and I'm going to time it. It's 123. Let's see how long it takes to roast. Again, every oven is different, so you might have a different cooking time, but just to have an idea. Okay, the potatoes are ready, and they look fantastic. They smell even better. Guess what? I'm not even going to remove them. I'm going to remove this dry rosemary and just decorate it with fresh rosemary. And this is exactly how I'm going to be serving them. Okay? Look at the garlic, so well roasted. Some people like it, some people don't. So everybody gets to choose what they want. But this is the perfect coloring that you want on the potatoes. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the bell button. Lots of recipes coming up. These videos really make me realize that I do have a real passion for food. I'm in the kitchen all the time. Thank you. And again, arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao, ciao. I'm not going to taste them. I'm going to be burning my mouth. I can't. I got to wait a couple minutes.